What are you doing?
It's a rear wiper delete.
I didn't even know.
And then after that,
are you recording right now?
just trying to figure it out.
Yes,
After that, it'll be a Catless Downpipe.
Put this bastard on. Look at that. Whole 3-inch girth, baby.
Woo!
Yeah.
She's good looking.
But for now, we're gonna do a rear wiper delete. It's probably a quarter, most likely.
Try the 5/16.
I don't have any quarters on me.
Yeah, it's a quarter.
It smells like fruity pebbles or something.
That'd be me.
Yeah, he's weird about his tools. He brings one socket out of town.
Because he puts them back.
2 or 3. I do the same thing.
Yeah.
But I mean, I bring them all out.
Hey, they're talking shit over here.
It's on camera. He'll see it later when he's editing.
It's his phone.
I don't think it's a quarter, motherfucker. That's tiny.
They break at 3/16 also, so you don't have to make so many
You
trips.
just asked for a quarter, not 3/16.
I asked for a quarter. I said bring a quarter or a 5/16. I said bring both, damn it. Oh, you know what?
Yeah, I don't know.
Strong maybe. It's not a maybe.
Hold on.
Wait, what was that? What? What was that? Do it again. What did you say? What was that? Do it again.
So this guy lives a few houses down from me, a couple streets over, and I always just pass by his house and see him outside. And he's noticed the Focuses, and we just saw him driving through the neighborhood. Yeah, dude. My buddy had one, dude. Those things are fucking. They're raw, dude.
Yeah.
It's like ours is like controlled by computers, but that kind of stuff is like.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's just so much.
It's raw.
Ours handles a little better though.
Ours does handle a lot better, for sure.
I don't think his car looks as good as ours. To be honest.
No, they don't.
No, the Speed 3's ugly. Hey, you can get one of those? You can get one of those for like 8-9 grand right now, dude. They're so
Say it again. Say it again.
Huh?
Say it again.
Say what?
I'm recording. Say it again.
Speed 3s are ugly. They're cheap.
So what are we doing?
So I believe we're about to put
Man,
a
there's so
Catless
many
Downpipe
clips under
on. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna go down. Maybe it will. On Josh's Focus ST, it's bone stock ST with an intake. We're gonna see how this goes. They're just doing a wiper delete. They're fucking this shit up.
Lined up right?
Hey, show them your lower control arm that you fucked up.
You want to see Bill Ford tough? Crashed my car into a curb. My fucking wheel, my front passenger wheel into a curb going 50, and this is all that happened.
You can get some
You
mad
go look at my
camber.
car, nothing happened to the wheel, and I got a very small scratch on the bumper. Yeah.
Yo, did you see how beat up his car was?
Yeah.
Woo! He's been there, done that, man.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they ain't worth shit, so I mean, who cares if it's beat up? That's how it was with my Honda, dude. It was all beat up. I
Watch
didn't
one
give a
day this
shit.
guy's gonna find my YouTube channel. He's like,
Yeah,
fuck this guy.
He's gonna pull
exactly.
off, he's just gonna fucking just shoot all of us.
Wild.
You don't care if your car looks cooler than mine, it's still faster. Get rid of it.
They just started praying. They just started going back up in Valley. And
Exactly.
20 years old.
I already made up my mind. I'm not going to.
Nah.
Nah.
I
wanna be that old guy, 20.
All right, guys, y'all hear this? We got it on video now.
Yeah.
He's not selling his Focus ST.
See this beautiful young face of mine? It's
Watch
gonna
it.
be old.
He's gonna
and his
land-
car's still gonna be beautiful.
He's gonna
25
land a
years
good
now.
job.
He's gonna steal
sell
stock.
his ST and he's gonna go get an RS.
No, I'm gonna keep
Oh,
that ST,
what's that?
and then I'm gonna go buy me a fucking Shelby finally. 'Cause that's all I've ever wanted is a fucking Shelby.
There's a lot of bikers
500.
around here.
I can see. It's probably that same dude. I bet.
Is that one of those? Oh shit! Is that an Edge ST?
No, it's an Explorer ST.
Yeah.
No, wait, they make an Explorer ST?
Yeah. It's new.
Oh yeah, don't get it on video or anything.
He literally just went and picked her up because he didn't.
Fucking, this would not fit under a clean-in scar.
Yeah.
I need to get a low profile one.
The low profiles don't fit either.
How the fuck do you get your car up?
Yep.
You know how to jack these up?
How do you get?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He doesn't.
I don't. No, a whole bunch
He
of
pays
wood.
crackheads to pick him up, pick up his car and hold him while he's working on it.
They're cheap, dude.
They
They're
do
cheap
it.
as
They
shit.
do it for a 40
$20
steel
to get
reserve
10
and
of
get
them
a crack,
motherfuckers.
man.
Yeah, exactly.
That's like fucking like $20 loss for him.
I don't even know if it is.
So maybe not even that
They
much.
pay him.
Yeah, they're like, fuck it, dude. I didn't even get a workout in.
See how high we can get it.
You can get it pretty high.
Yeah, especially this.
Good thing is I can finally delete that fucking bitch ass bracket.
Hey, can you
that
move your
holds
butt
it onto
out of the
motor
camera?
mount. Huh?
No, what I do is
And
I
with your
not
butt.
a kids channel.
Calm down, Dorian.
I have some wood blocks, and I usually ride my fronts up, jack up the fronts. Yeah, it's a process.
I used to do that in my previous.
Exactly. Oh, I guess yeah. You,
my
you
car over on your
understand.
trailer.
Yeah, we could flip it probably.
Damn, 6-inch lift. It looks good.
I mean, that's a pretty good height.
Put some 33s on it and go mudding.
Dude, I saw a 7 Series BMW today, probably with like 27-inch rim. I was like, bruh.
Do what?
I saw a 7 Series BMW today with like
Hold on.
27
Hey,
inch
roll
rim.
it that way a little bit.
Bro, what the
You're in my fucking way.
I can't do that.
You can't do that because it's
Hold on,
going to
hold
move
on.
the whole
We'll just
car.
stop jacking it for a second. Alright, bring it down real slow.
Real fast?
Real slow.
Fast?
Like, as slow as you can, so I can line this up. Whenever you're ready, good sir.
It's going down.
Alright, go up a little bit. Alright.
It's a pretty good jet.
Alright.
I had it for years. I used to have a low profile one from
Bring
there.
it
I don't know what the fuck I did with it.
So bringing it down?
I had one too. I don't know where it is.
God damn it, you have that stupid notch. Lift it up a little bit.
I got the stupid nut.
Yeah, you got the old ass fucking Harbor Freight one. Pretty sure you're fine with that recall.
I've had those things for like 5 years.
Shit.
Hold on. Put it in the floor of your car.
Just in the middle?
Yeah.
Alright, bring it down. Son of a fucking bitch. Go up a little bit.
Have you ever done this before?
No, you got that stupid little fucking notch.
Hey,
You
he's
gotta line it up
blaming my
perfectly.
jack stand down.
Alright, come
I
down,
don't
come
think
down.
that's it.
What is he doing?
He's blaming my jack stand.
Hey, if you bought this pinche bullshit.
Pinch
Actually, I don't even think the fucking thing can drop down into it. It just hooks on the fucking ears.
Yeah.
Man, fuck it. Alright, come down.
You're gonna.
Okay. Pretty fucking
Dude, if you don't have enough room to do it here, I don't know what else to do.
There's no way this is not enough room.
Of course it is. I couldn't even get my car
Wait,
this
why?
time. I took my rear motor mount off. It's right there. It's bolted
Yeah.
bolt onto it.
It's in the same place.
What's
got a
that?
bigger gap in your hood right here than this side.
Do you actually?
Oh, I just haven't gotten around to adjusting it since I bought the car. I keep forgetting.
Oh shit, dude! I never noticed that.
Yeah, I didn't even notice until he pointed it out.
It's okay.
Thank
I
you,
don't notice
Travis.
most things on my car until
Someone else points it
Yeah.
out.
It's like when you point out I'm missing that rubber gasket right there, and I never knew that. I wonder if fucking Francisco's still up there.
which rubber gasket.
The one that goes across the...
So what do we do, Travis?
Is this another bit? Oh no, it's a.
Yeah, last thing was we painted this and then made a fucking bracket back there. For
Yeah,
his-
What are we doing?
Francisco,
Oh.
give me a bracket.
He's installing a Catless downpipe on his car. I'm just gonna assist because I know that shit's gonna be fucking hot because the fucking catalytic converter. We'll let him learn the hard way.
I still got some of them.
Camera shut off.
Oh shit. What are you doing?
I'm just hanging out.
Do you have any longer,
Do you find a seat that fits you?
drive extension?
I finally found something that fit my
Like how
seat
long
body.
do you need?
What the
It died again.
It probably I haven't charged in a while.
Oh wait, fuck, hold on, I forgot one last nut. Get up.
This guy can't bust a nut to save his life.
No, I forgot about this back one. Hey, there's a back one back here. You
Okay.
can't see it, but it's
Yeah.
there. Can you give me a
I see-
13
I
millimeter wrench real quick?
Wrench?
Yeah, first.
Supposed to work on Hondas, not Fords. now you're
millimeters.
just now you're letting me know what I need to get.
Oh, I'm done.
Come on, argue for the camera, bro.
Honda uses millimeters for everything. It's always 10, 12s, 14s, and yes, they do use 13s.
Yeah,
for some
13s,
shit.
but like I don't have to get into any tight spots like this where I can't get to with other tools.
Well, that's not my
That's
fault.
a Ford.
It's a
You
Ford,
have all
yeah.
that space because it's just a fucking wannabe grocery getter performance car.
Look, we all bought it, okay?
Hey, I was talking about the Honda, but
Yeah, me too.
Hey, no, put that down.
well, technically that's Civics.
Oh,
the
thank you.
Prelude
Yeah.
isn't. I don't know if you can count the Prelude as a grocery getter.
I don't think it looks like one even remotely.
It's a true sports
No,
car.
the only problem is it looks like it should be. It's front. It's rear-wheel drive.
It
which
really
it should have
does.
been.
Dude,
Yeah.
that's
And it's
everybody's
not.
biggest complaint is that it should have been rear-wheel drive. It
In my
should have been the
fucking-
S2000.
My fucking base model
Yeah,
H
exactly.
Civic. I took a couple Preludes. I don't know what generation they were at, but they were so shocked. And I was like, dude,
Dude,
car's
you
not
don't
that
you don't
fast.
want to meet my boy in
My
his
car's
Celica, okay?
Huh? Well, these guys were like probably just like kids with like stock ones with an exhaust or some bullshit.
Probably.
Dude. None of them. Because my car was dirt shit slow before this one.
I like your gay ass Cobb fucking mount.
Yeah, I know. I fucking hate it, dude.
Do you really?
I hate Cobb.
Why?
Why?
No, I'm just kidding.
No, you've said that before. But
Solid
why?
joke, dude.
Okay. You want to know what it is?
Yeah.
I have the same. The way I see Cobb is kind of like how I see Gucci or Jordans or some shit. They make quality shit. Obviously, I'm not gonna knock them for that. But they're very overpriced, and people just want them just because of their hype around it, not because it's actually good.
Oh, dude, it's because it goes.
That's why you got to pay fucking $550 for a goddamn access port.
No, dude, it's because they go on Subaru, so they gotta be good.
All right, so y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
Check it out. Take this motherfucker, you put it right
show
here.
us that little trick.
Watch your hand, and it pops right out.
Jesus. Your face was right there a second ago. That's funny.
Oh, when I popped it out, both pieces fell down my fucking face. While
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just kept going.
So what is that for?
That's the bracket for the fucking
I think
You got a
that's
flashlight?
pretty cool.
Let me see. So you can see.
Yeah, I know. Those are really cool.
That is a bracket to hold
Do you have any
the downpipe.
guys?
This is the
You're still gonna need that for your aftermarket.
no.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't come with fucking bolts for
So
that.
cool.
You don't need it. This one has a huge flex pipe on it. That's why you need it.
Alright.
When people put the aftermarket ones, you don't have to. Yeah, see, because the fucking bolts. I mean, the screw. Yeah, the bolts on these, they're welded onto the fucking factory pipe. That one doesn't have them.
Gotcha.
It's still got the fucking thing though to put screws through there, but I don't think you need it. Nobody ever puts it on.
Yeah, I gotcha.
I don't know why you're recording all this.
Because it's funny.
I don't give you permission to put up any of my videos.
Oh, I'm still putting it up. I'll blur your face. It's cool.
Oh yeah, like all my tattoos aren't gonna fucking show who I
I can
am.
blur that too. I'll just make you a big blur. Was it a 15?
No, it's definitely a 15.
You want like a ½ inch wrench?
Might need to soak in a WD-40. They are pretty rusted. Well, I can try a ½ inch wrench if you got it.
Yeah.
Well, no, because we need that extension, so I don't have.
3.5 hours later, he finally gets it out. No. Why would I film it for the back? The exhaust ain't gonna come out the back.
True.
There's the fucking piece of shit stock catalytic converter.
Man, look how ugly it is. You guys ready?
Yeah, dude.
Dead ready, dude. Oh shit. Not ready.
Ooh, you hear the turbo? Hey, rev it a little bit. Just a little bit.
Leave it like that. Leave it like honestly.
That thing sounds fucking nuts like that, dude. Holy shit.
You probably got check engine light now, huh?
I don't know.
You started with no O2s plugged in.
Why? What does that matter? I mean, there's no way.
That thing sounds insane. That thing sounds
Like it's
insane.
so much faster than it actually is. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick little break.
Let's compare them.
I'll go buy some. Oh yeah, where's my heater, dude? It's still in the fucking
I think it's over there on the white thing.
How many you guys do? No, I was saying, how many of you got just in there while I was under them? That's all good.
I mean, I did it like I know, right?
No, leave that up there. I don't want to break it.
Holy shit. Dude, it'll start.
Can y'all send me that video, please?
I can, yeah.
I want to post that on my shit.
I know.
I don't know- I don't know
nine
what
times.
it
I
is.
have no idea what it is.
All right, finally on. His 1 hour job, 3 hours later.
Oh man.
It sounds better.
Yeah, it does.
Watch out, Rana. Yeah, it does. Rev it.
Wait, it's in stealth mode? Oh.
What kind of light shows up? You don't have to put that on.
It should be a
Yeah,
check
but
engine.
you started your car earlier without any of them plugged in, so it probably got that.
Yeah, so you might have to drive for like
You-
50 miles.
That or just have it cleared, yeah.
Yeah.
Give it a little rev. Oh yeah. Hey, now you can hear crackles and stuff. Yeah. That sounds good, dude. You're smoking though. Yeah, go ahead. That sounds good. Go ahead. You gonna do 6? Fucking James Bond smoke trails, bro.
Jesus. Holy shit. Dude, you just fucking
Like what?
me.
Well, I'll do it for you. Watch.
Yeah, just let it go all the way back to the
Sounds a lot better though.
That sounds a lot better. It sounds better than my car does. It makes me feel bad.
Dude, I've always heard that the Ford Performance exhaust. Yeah, it gurgles now.
Wow.
There's a. I think it's gonna be rasp when he takes off.
Downpipe. That's
Yeah.
That's just
Downpipe and resonator
Yeah,
delete.
okay. Shit, I have to do that.
Yeah.
That sounds nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that smell.
I love it. I actually like it. Go that way. Come back. What do you say?
Yeah.
It's raining right now too.
Fuck you.
Yeah. Careful not to spin too. The roads are slick.
Hey, move my car so you don't back me.
No, keep your car there because it won't hit mine.
Yeah, insurance, man, insurance.
Okay.
That sounds pretty good. I'm wondering why it's like rolling coal though. That's interesting.
That is really something.
It's probably gotta break it all out. I
Yeah.
bet there's a lot of buildup because what you saw it dripping out.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it?
Wasn't it Jason, no?
I don't think so. But he can't drive for shit.
Shit, buddy.
What if it chip?
You should have shifted. It just sounded like wee the whole way here.
I don't want to go too fucking fast on a neighbor's street.
Well, come from that way. Come from that way.
So respectful. I wonder how mine would sound if I
Dude, I'm telling you, it'd be louder than that with a lot of gurgles for sure.
with a Catless downpipe.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Because everybody says like the Borla with the Catless downpipe is the best sounding exhaust, hands down.
Know what I'm gonna do then?
That's what I'm saying. I think instead of cutting your muffle off, try that
Yeah,
first, and then if you don't want it, then do it.
Yeah.
Because at least it's a legit exhaust. If it's not loud enough for you, just sell the exhaust and then get
Exactly.
something made.
What I was gonna do is go to the AWE.
Oh, the all track.
So,
That sounds insane.
hell yeah, dude. Sick.
Yeah, it sounds way better.
Yeah.
Sounds way better.
It's not too bad at idle either.
No. Damn, I would have scraped the shit out of my bumper there.
Oh yeah, for sure you would have.